Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Replit for Python programming in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by visiting Replit's official website and then sign in using your email address, Google account or your GitHub account. So when you log in, you are going to see this type of dashboard where you can basically create and manage coding projects. So over here, click on the option of create something new. Then you just have to select your new project. Afterwards, you just have to select from the templates given. So since you want to use Python, you just have to click on the option of Python. And now Replit will automatically generate your coding environment with all the essential files. Now your Python workspace usually includes the code editor, the console output panel, file explorer, and AI assistant tools, and the main Python file is usually named as main.py. So over here you just have to simply start typing your prompt. So it has already taken this prompt, so I'm going to keep it as it is and click on the option of start. So when you click on the option of start, Replit's AI assistant is now going to generate the code. It will also explain the errors and build the project faster. So that's how you can basically use Python in Replit. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.